वो गर्व के साथ वापस जाए और कह सकें कि मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है जो कि है ही, और ज़्यादा हम इसका गर्व महसूस करें कि हम इसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करें कि यहाँ मुंबई शहर आके इन्होंने मुंबई शहर का क्या आनंद लिया है। तो इससे ज़्यादा बस इतना भी कह सकता हूँ कि क्योंकि मुंबई शहर शायद घर है अपना, तो ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम इसे किस तरीके से स्वच्छ रखें, किस तरीके से हम प्रमोट करें लोगों तक कि ये घर है, ये सेफ़ है, यहाँ पे लोग सेफ़ हैं, यहाँ के मेहमान जो आते हैं वो हमारे घर आ रहे हैं, उस तरीके से। जी हाँ, फिलहाल उसके बारे में तो हम इसलिए तो इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं।
Indeed, I congratulate the ladies wing of the IMC, especially the president Shalini ji Piramal, that they picked up such an important program. Tomorrow is the tourism day, and on the eve of tourism day, you've organized this program, and Neil is here. What more we want? Anybody to greet the tourists coming to Mumbai. We should all be very thankful to him. And he said that as a Mumbaikar, Parag ji, the chairman of MTD, is here. We welcome him. Now I'll give straight to Shalini ji, and then whatever I have to say, I'll say. Parag ji.
Good evening, ladies and over the decades, tourism has experienced continued growth and deepening diversification to become one of the fastest growing economic sectors in the world. Modern tourism is closely linked to development and encompasses growing number of new destinations. These dynamics have turned tourism into a key driver for socio-economic progress. With an aim to strengthen the vision of our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, the Ladies Wing of Indian Merchant Chamber is proud to celebrate World Tourism Day. Please welcome our guest of honor, the great Bollywood star, Mr. Neel Nitin Mukesh. I also humbly welcome the Managing Director of Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation, Mr. Parag Jain. Thank you for being with us, sir. We also give out a hearty welcome to Mr. Atul Shah, Trustee, Mumbai Port Trust, former Director of MTDC, ex-MLA, who has been instrumental in putting this event together. So with this initiative, let us raise awareness on the impact of tourism on countries and communities around the world and its potential as a force for creating a better world for all of us. I would now like to request Ms. Madhvi Vora, Chairperson Program Committee, to introduce our guests for the evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our guest today, Mr. Neel Nitin Mukesh, needs no introduction. He is a renowned actor in Bollywood with performances like Johnny Gaddar, New York, Lafange, Parinde and Saath Khoon Maaf. He has earned critical praise for all his performances. He is not only a fine actor but a very good singer, being the son of the legendary singer Mukesh ji. He supports NGO for needy women with food, shelter, vocational training. This is behind his grandmother Saral Devi, and I request Mrs. Shalini Piramal to felicitate Neel ji with a small token of appreciation. Thank you, Shalini ji. Now we have with us today is Mr. Parag Jain, who is the Managing Director of Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation and ex-CEO of Maharashtra Maritime Board. He is a senior IAS officer and he's taken charge from Valsa Nair Singh. He has more than 18 years of experience in responsible roles in spheres of management and administration. Mr. Jain brought expertise in team, project leadership, administration and management. May I request Anju Gulati ji to felicitate him.
अरे यार डोका ही दे।
Last but not the least and of utmost importance, the man who made this event a possibility, Mr. Atul Shah. Mr. Shah is the ex-MLA of BJP from his constitution, Mumbai Devi. He has been a part of BJP for more than 35 years. He's also been the chairman of Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation and initiated many things to the August audience.
I think it's a very big honor that you all have considered me worthy of sitting on the same podium as you lovely such people and such dignitaries. Thank you so much. My contribution out here probably is just limited to the fact that I, being a Mumbaiker myself, feel very proud of the fact that we are instrumental in such initiatives. So thank you, and it's very kind of you to have me here. Thanks.
I would now request Neil ji and Mr. Parag Jain and Shri Atul ji to please inaugurate and flag off our bus on tourism. But before that, I would like Mr. Parag Jain, our honorable guest, to please say a few words.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Women's Wing of Indian Merchant Chamber to organize this, especially on World Tourism Day. I would like that this kind of event should be annual affair. I am told that you have been organizing this kind of thing, so my best wishes for this. For this, I should take this opportunity, since you are a part of Indian Merchant Chamber. MTDC has done monetization of assets of Maharashtra. Since you are the financial arm, especially in this, and you would be able to influence the decision more, being the Women's Wing of IMC. So I would request you and take this opportunity to tell you that Maharashtra is a great state, of course, and there are biggest investment opportunities in Maharashtra. So if this platform can be used for channelizing the investment in monetization of assets, that would be a great step and help to Maharashtra. Thank you.
जाना आगे जाना बाइक लेना
We have to give it to tourists outside. So we can be. Hello.
Hey, Topi. Hey, Topi.
Gemini. आप कहाँ से हो?
2+.
कार्ड